Zooming in and zooming out controls how much of chart history you can see at once, but most users only restrict themselves to using the basic scroll wheel. But there's a much easier way on TradingView. First, open any chart you want to zoom in or out on. Head over to the left side of the toolbar. You'll notice a magnifying glass with a plus symbol on it. Click it. Now, say I want to zoom into the middle of the chart, but not too much. Let's just draw a rectangle around that area. Then, once we have a rectangle drawn, all we have to do is let it go. Now we automatically zoomed in, but say I want to zoom in further. Let me just head back to the zoom in button on the left side. Click on it. Zoom in again. Now say I don't like this and want to go back to my default view. You'll notice a new magnifying glass popped up with a subtraction sign. This is the zoom out button. Let's go back to the left hand side and click it. Ta-da! Once the zoom out button is gone, you'll know that you're back at the default view. Have a great day, guys.